Hey guys, so welcome back to another quick form video. In today's video, do we have a new, should I say, competitor in the prepaid section or the market, whichever way you want to say it, but basically there's a new enemy, should we say, and trying to compete for your prepaid money. So yeah, so Boss Revolution, guys, should I say Boss Revolution Mobile is now a thing. So if you guys don't know who or what Boss Revolution is, it basically lets you call international with very cheap minutes. A lot of, at least that I know, a lot of Latinos will call like, Mexico, Guatemala, Honduras, El Salvador, Brazil, or any place that's international because it's very low, cheap rates. It's basically what it is. That's why people will get it. So it says like free calls to over 65 countries, plus 75 rates, deeply discounted. Like I said, basically you can call anywhere almost in the world and you get deep discounts. Versus if you go through your traditional cell phone carrier, they might not offer, calling international. This is a good way to do it, but that's basically what they're really known. You can buy like, you can reload your card or your mobile phone with this. It's pretty cool. But let's get into the mobile section, guys. So full flexibility says with Boss Revolution Mobile, you can get the nationwide unlimited plan that fits you. No contracts or credit checks. So this like says prepaid plan, so they won't run your credit or anything like that. Taxes and fees included. Nationwide 4G coverage. Buy a new device or bring your own. Top up at retail, online, or on your phone. And then nationwide coverage. You can check all that out. It says Boss Revolution Mobile customers have access to voice and data services reaching more than 282 million people nationwide. And to let you guys know, they do run off of Sprint's network from what I was reading. So it is through Sprint. So just be wary that, if you have like Boost Mobile, Virtual Mobile, or just Sprint overall, if you like the coverage, then this is a good way to do it. But like I said, here's the monthly plans, and let's see what they have to offer. For $20, you get unlimited talk, text, and data, 1 gigabyte of high-speed data. Then, of course, you'll get throttle to 3G, which is nice. You get unlimited 3G, unlimited calls to 65 plus countries included. Wow, mobile hotspot. For 30 gigs or $30 a month, you get unlimited talk, text, and 5 gigs of high-speed data. Then the rest is the same. For $40 a month, you'll get 15 gigabytes of high-speed data, which is, I would say, plenty for $40 a month, I would say. And then, of course, you get unlimited calls to 65 plus countries included. Now, for $50 a month, guys, this is their top-tier plan. You get 50 gigs of data, which basically it's it's a gig per dollar, which is not bad at all. High-speed 4G LTE data, and then of course mobile hotspot doesn't say or anything like that how much mobile hotspot you get, but I'm guessing it maybe just uses your same data, or maybe there's a cap. But the big takeaway from this, should I say, is that it includes unlimited calling to 65 plus countries, guys. So this is very, very good mobile service. If for all you people that are trying to call international, like let's say if you're trying to call to Honduras, not a lot of mobile carriers even offer that. If they do offer it, it's very expensive, so unlimited calls, you can check those countries out. And if one of those countries is the one that you need to call, this is probably the best plan for you, especially if you guys call. Like I said, I know a lot of international students or people living in the United States that need to contact their family members. It can be very expensive, if you're spending hours on the phone. Then, of course, they also have other things like weekly plans. So from $1 per week, 2 gigabytes of high-speed 4G LTE data, $9 is the max. Pay for what you use up to $9. So not bad. Weekly line fees $1. Airtime minutes in the US is $1.50. $1.50. What is that? 1.5 cents? Wow, that's actually 1.5 cents. Sorry, my bad. Text in US is 0.5 cents, and then data nationwide per megabyte 1.5 cents, which is different. Calculate your savings. You can get started now. Check this out. A lot of people want to say like what countries. You can actually view your free countries here, and then the rates. So across the globe, all unlimited plans include free callings to over 65 countries. So you can view the free countries here. So here are some of the different countries here. So as you can see, it's search by country. Like Mexico is all free, of course, which is very nice. There's also different rates. Honduras, you get 10% off, which is 11.25 cents. I hope I'm saying that correct. To me, it would look like it's like $11.25, but I don't know. It's probably that'd be crazy. So it's 11.25 cents. Haiti, Nigeria, Guatemala. There's different things here. And then the free countries, you can actually view them all. Here's all the countries that you can call, for free and all that stuff. So very, very cool. And Brazil's there. So free calls to 65 international destinations. So New Zealand, Mexico, Mongolia. So look at all right here. Puerto Rico, Korea, or Republic of Korea, Turkey, Venezuela, of course, United States of America, U.S. Virgin, Spain, Romania, different countries basically that you guys can check out. So if one of your countries is on here and you want to make those calls, this is probably the best plan for you. And then there's different things here that you can check. Does have like Wi-Fi calling and a bunch of other stuff, but this is just gonna be a quick video, guys, kind of just telling you guys how this is something. If you want me to go into a deeper dive into this, I can, but I was like, hey, I'm gonna make a quick video for you guys. And then of course you can either check your phone to see if it's compatible with the BYOD, or you can even shop for phone deals. So wow, $200 for a J7 Refine. Whoa, buddy. Yeah, it's probably going to be better for you to bring your own device, because some of these prices are a little high. Well, I mean, an iPhone 6 32GB, 150, I guess it's not that bad. And then, of course, you can buy the SIM card, which I'm guessing is free. So, wow. They don't have a big selection of phones, guys, so just be wary. They only have a couple. So here are the selection of phones, which is, I would say, somewhat decent. But yeah, like I said, you can bring your own phone as well. Like I said, here it is, Sprint's network, like I said. So I was right, it is using Sprint's network. So if your phone's, compatible with Sprint's network, then most likely it will be compatible. But of course, you can shop here and check if it is compatible and all that stuff. But yeah, so let me know in the comments below what you guys think. Like I said, by finishing this off, let me thank our supporter Honey. So Honey is a free web browser extension that'll find you the best promo codes on popular shopping websites like Boost Mobile, Best Buy, Walmart, Amazon, and many more. Get it today at joinhoney.com/ref/Dragonic. It's totally free. It will be in the description below. You install that free plugin. When you make your first purchase, guys, I will get a small commission. It does help the channel out, so check that out. Let me know in the comments below what you think. Would you be even thinking about getting this? If you do make a lot of international calls, let me know in the description below. Where do you call? Because I want to see where all my viewers are from. So like I said, sorry if this video was a little quick, but I mean, it's 8 minutes and something so far. But like I said, I'm trying to make this as short as possible. But yeah, thank you guys.